All right, so here we go. I'm going to explain what you need to do for this assignment. This one is called linear functions. So what you're going to do is, it says it right here. It says, oops, for graphs 1 through 4, this one is going to be, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry about that, right? So let me erase that real quick. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. For graphs 1 through 4, you're going to identify the x and y intercepts and then label the function increasing or decreasing. And then for 5 and 6, you're going to graph using the x and y intercepts and then label increasing or decreasing. So here's one example for each one. Listen right here. Identify the x and y intercepts. We know this is my x-intercept, so I'm going to say x-intercept, right? What is that? I'm going to write it as a point. So I'll write it as a point. So this is 3, 0. My y-intercept, what is my y-intercept? My y-intercept's right here. And what is that going to be? Remember, it's always 0, comma, number, bam. And then this graph is decreasing. Okay, so I need you to do the same thing for this one, and this one. And you're probably thinking like, well, how am I going to do this here? What you can do is you can plug it into Desmos, right? Plug it into Desmos and then find points to graph them and then draw a line. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it. Go to Desmos. All right, so for this here, right, you need to graph the x and y intercept and then you're going to draw a line. So if we were to graph this one right here, it says the x-intercept at 1. My x-intercept is at 1, so here's x-intercept at 1. My y-intercept's at -4. Here's -4 here. And then we can draw my lines going from here to here. So draw a line. And then we don't need to label my x and y intercepts because we already have them. But is this graph increasing or decreasing? And we'll say increasing. Okay, so then I need you to do that for linear functions.